What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today's going to be a good mod because I'm changing the wheels on the first gen SCION XB. As you can see here, right there, that's the second gen I got back from paint. We'll fiddle around with that one later on down the line, but the first gen's going to get a makeover. We're putting the TRD 19-inch rims with new tires. They got refinished, and we'll put those on. So let's get to it. Okay, so before we put the rims on, I do want to let you know I did get the center caps. These are the original. It has the 6, I guess they would be Allen wrench screws that are on there. These were the original 6. Other ones have 5, but I wanted to make sure that I got the 6 that went around. Now, the 6, they don't all go into the rim. Only 3 will screw into the rim, as you can see there. So this is the original center caps. Now this is the middle, and that'll go just like that. See? So I won't put these on today, just because I just want to make sure that everything's fitted on, everything rides right. I will be able to, well, I'll have to get a front alignment for sure, but I did get the original lug nuts and the center caps. Okay, so whenever you're jacking up the car from the back, make sure you put chucks on the front because you don't want your car rolling back. So safety first. Alright, so here are the 19s. Again, they got refinished. Everything was, all the curb rash was taken off and repainted. There was a couple markings on each one, and yeah, they look really good. 19s. Let's hope I don't regret it. Oh, and these have the exact diameter of the ring on here, so I don't need hub-centric rings. So I'm just tightening them to where they're snug on there, and then I'll torque it because we want to make sure that the wheel is on there straight and flush. Now I'm going to do all the other ones, and then we'll come back to all 4. Alright, so as you can see, I had to stop because it's raining pretty bad out there. So I was only able to put the back tires on, but we'll come back and we'll put the other front ones in and we'll finish up. All right, so I'm back in the garage because I noticed that the 19-inch TRD rims were touching my Racelands, the coilovers. So I did have some 5mm spacers that I was actually going to use on the back of my XB with the black rims, but I didn't end up needing them, but I know I'm going to need them now, so I'm glad that I kept these. So we're going to put these 5mm spacers on the front for the TRD rims.
Nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Well, there you have it. We added the 19-inch TRD rims on the SCION XB first gen, and it gives it a totally different new look. So what I'm gonna do is actually change the strut bar to a DC Sport and paint it, I'm thinking silver. What do you guys think? What should I do the new theme? Silver strut bar, DC Sport that I have in the attic, and the valve cover. I thought about changing that color as well. I did have to put the 5mm spacers on the front of the wheels, but not the back. There's clearance on the back. I did not have to roll my fenders at all, front or back. So there's clearance. It was just the Racelands were rubbing against the tire, not the rim, but the tire. So I do love the look. I am gonna get an alignment for sure, but let me know down in the comments below. What do you think? Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.